6 unique ways to make Father's Day extra special. 1. Cook his favorite meal. Treat your dad to his favorite meals throughout the day, from a hearty breakfast to a delicious dinner, whether homemade or from his favorite restaurant. 2. Sports Day. Plan a sports-filled day with your dad playing cricket, football, Oregon, watching a live game together to share his passion and enjoy quality time. 3. Handwritten letter. Write a heartfelt letter expressing your love, gratitude, and appreciation for your father, sharing cherished memories and how he has positively impacted your life. 4. Plan a day out. Plan a day of activities your father enjoys, like hiking, golfing, fishing, Oregon, visiting a museum, to create memorable quality time together. 5. Home improvement help. Offer to help with a project around the house that he's been wanting to complete, showing that you care about his efforts. 6. Relaxation day. Give him the gift of relaxation with a spa day, a cozy home setup, Oregon, by taking over his responsibilities so he can unwind. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more videos.